Hi everybody, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a great day. John's over here on the side mixing up some paints for what he's going to be doing. What I am doing is I had done a 6x6 canvas before and it was okay. It didn't come out bad, but I would have needed to embellish it and I couldn't think of how to do that. So what I decided to do is pour over it. So what I've used for my paints is Deco Art Peacock Teal, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, Artist Loft Yellow, Apple Barrel Pure Pink, and Craft Smart Neon Blue. I'm going to do a flip cup. I put all of that in here, and now I'm just going to do a flip cup and see what happens.
You're gonna turn it upside down and flip it, or you're just gonna go?
Yeah, I'm just going to do that whack.
Okay, whack.
Ready?
Yeah.
Because I already kind of did the sides, okay. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that.
Get it more in the middle there.
Okay.
Just let it settle for a few seconds. See what happens.
It's
just...
So that was a canvas you had used before, right?
Right.
And
yeah.
you weren't too thrilled with it?
No, I mean it was okay, but it was just kind of blue and green, dark blue, dark green. If I was talented, I would have painted something on it, but since I'm not, I didn't do anything with it.
Oh, you're just being too mean to yourself.
Oh, thanks, Helen. Thanks for sticking up for me.
No problem.
Hey, did you guys know that a bear has 42 teeth?
42?
Yeah, how many do humans have?
Oh, it depends how old you are.
Depends on how many you've had pulled.
That's right. Yeah, some people have none. Some people have 3.
I wonder what...
Some people have 20-something.
20-something? That's all?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know either. But I just thought that tidbit of information was a little interesting. I'm going to try to add in one little tidbit of knowledge.
You got nice tidbits.
Every day. Every time we paint. I'll do a little tidbit. If I remember, you know, the mind, it's a terrible thing to waste.
I wonder if it's snowing up north again.
I don't know.
I heard Buffalo has 4 feet.
Yes, they do. All right, let's see. I'm gonna lift.
Oh. Okay. Sploosh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, look at that. Got a purple ring in the middle.
I'm not sure this is going to be any better than what was there.
What are you talking about?
There's a lot of green. No, I don't think I need to use that up
Might
yet.
be another one of your Irish paintings.
Yeah, no.
Huh?
Oh, got some cells going anyway. That's kind of pretty cool, I guess. Of course, the problem always is keeping the cells. Okay.
we did a deco art, right, paint the other day, just using deco art, and
Yep.
they do seem to dry darker than the apple barrel. And,
What do you mean darker with more color?
yeah, with more color, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to compare, but the ones we did the other day came out pretty bright, you know. The colors were really bright.
Well, I would imagine that, I don't know what you guys use, but I would imagine that the craft paints probably aren't as vibrant as,
Me?
yeah, as you. Especially with your tie-dye peace sign
My
shirt on.
Yeah. Old hippies never die. They just lose their hair, teeth, and their mind.
What's the first thing to go, John?
I'm not even going to tell you.
That is too funny. Okay, let's see. I gotta put a little white here to make it flow off here a little easier so I don't have to get rid of all the stuff that I have on it. Hopefully it'll, looks like I got bubbles, so hopefully.
Bubbles?
Oh no.
Did I tell you who girl named Bubbles in school?
Oh no, not again, not again. Don't put us through that torture again. Oops, sorry.
You're so loud.
I don't mean to be loud.
I think you do.
No, I don't talk loud in person. I don't think I do. You always tell me I talk softly. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
Don't know why it's not falling off the corners here.
What the hell colors you got there?
Lots of different colors. The colors that I said at the beginning. The colors that I told the
Pink's
folks.
got a little bit of blue in there, I see. You got a lot of canvas over here.
I know, over here too.
We're doing all that canvas.
I'll have to put some paints on it. I put more white, but the white doesn't seem to be going anywhere.
White looks too thick.
The white? I thought the white looked pretty thin. Oops, I'm talking loud again.
Yes, of
Sorry,
course.
guys.
You put a muzzle on you.
Trying to figure out what the heck to
We
do.
gotta go way over this way.
I know, but all my cells are going away.
Yeah, maybe you'll get new cells. Maybe they'll put you in a cell.
Well, that's probably more likely.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's getting nice now. Tilt it this way too. This side. There you go.
Yeah, but I need it on this side too. Gee whiz, you start working with bigger canvases and then I'm getting clumsy using a small canvas now. What's that all about? What's it all about, Johnny?
I don't know, dear. Wasn't that the same colors you just poured over?
No,
Oh, it wasn't?
it was just blue and green.
Oh, it's blue and green.
But I think I'm gonna have to add something and do a little wiggling or something because I'm not really liking, there's no sparks in this.
Spark, want some glitter?
No. Oh, look, looks like a little heart, maybe. Gonna put a little of this in there. Whoops! A little more than I wanted. But
It looks like a smiley face. It's upside down there. guess you're not ready for that.
I'm reinventing it. That I'm not what?
What?
What did you say?
I don't remember.
I think I need a darker color in there.
Uh-huh.
May I borrow this, please?
Sure.
Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe.
Really?
Maybe.
Those are nice bright colors.
I probably should have done it in those colors to begin with.
I thought you had all those neon colors there.
Not for that.
Oh, different. Oh, look, it's cool on the side here. Oh, yeah. Oh, looking good. Looking good. Those are pretty colors. Of course, you can't see it. You're nowhere near the camera, but
Oh,
there
sorry.
you go.
Was I out of focus that whole time?
Yeah, you were just showing them your washing machine tray.
No.
Oh, we're running batteries running low too. Get you up where you can see her. Battery is almost out. When it runs out, I'll stop it and change it, and we'll continue on.
Wait. I'm being messy today. All right, let's see.
Got a cell right there, see?
Yeah, I need the thing. I haven't done
No.
anything with that yet. Are we like not where we usually are when we do this? You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
Like, are we not situated where we
Yeah, we
normally
are.
are?
We are.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. Don't get too close. That's a hot torch.
Lots of dimples.
We're getting close.
Sorry. Alright, I got some cells going on. They're popping up.
How do you get rid of these cells? Oh yeah, it's popping up pretty good.
I just
You got
gotta
a little.
fix the sides.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, well, I'm not going to fix the sides and bore you guys to death. So, thanks again for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Am I in the picture?
Nope. Nobody's near the picture. Hold on. Let me get you there. Oh, no. Let me get you. Hold on. Get your thumb up there. There you go.
Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, neighbors, family, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching, and please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.